Hello, my name is Train Boy from Train Boy Gun the channel, and today we're doing some more train spotting, and we're at Winchmore Hill today. So today we'll be seeing services by Virgin Trains East Coast, Great Northern, Grand Central, First Pole Express. I don't know what they're called because I haven't really seen them for quite a long time. So yeah, not many trains arrive here, or not many trains come here or go. So we may not be able to see quite a lot of trains. But I do know there's one on the board coming to Moorgate. That'll be coming very soon. So yeah, hope you're going to enjoy the video when I do loads of train spotting. So there should be one coming this way very soon. I'm going to the waiting room if the train doesn't stop or anything, because it could go through it that cold or anything. So yeah. Let's see what turns up, what stops, or does anything. There is a Moorgate train. This train is up to Moorgate from Welwyn Garden City. This is a Great Northern service. Here it is. It actually snuck right behind me. So cheeky, aren't you, train? Okay. Cheeky train. Right, the Great Northern service is now leaving. The one to Moorgate trucking away. And I'm going to do a bit more train spotting in the waiting room, not many. And I am freezing, absolutely freezing. Goodbye, you're off to Moorgate from Welwyn Garden City. There she goes. All the way to Welwyn Garden City. I mean, not to Welwyn Garden City, Moorgate. There you go. Away. I'm going to do a bit more train spotting in the waiting room now, because there's not many trains around. Really tired already. We're now in the waiting room, and we can see. There you go. You're off to Hertford North, where Miss Founder lives, or my teacher. This is a Great Northern service from London King's Cross to, what's it again? I forgot. I apologize. Oh, Hertford North. That's where my teacher lives. That's the branch line. Right, the Great Northern to Hertford North from King's Cross. It's going. That is a 6-car service. There you go. There you go. That train, yeah, it's up to Hertford North from. I've seen a lot of trains the same. I was Hertford North from London King's Cross. I can tell you that. How do you know it's Great Northern? I'm not sure if we're going to see any Virgin Trains East Coast, because I don't know. Hopefully we will find one. There we go. Try and spot another one. Right, there is a Great Northern coming in. Gone back out. It's really sunny. This is the service from. I think it was from Welwyn Garden City to Moorgate. This is really noisy, isn't it? It is. Right, the train is now going. There you are, you're going. Please hit a like on this video, I believe. Oh, it's really sunny, I don't think you'll be able to see. There we go, the Great Northern service to Moorgate from Welwyn Garden City is now off. It's really sunny, I thought it was going to be super cold. There we go, we'll spot about probably one more train on that platform then. Yeah, that'll probably be it. So there's one coming into Stevenage on that platform in about a few minutes. So yeah, get to spot that one as well. Hopefully that's going to be great as well. Don't think any Virgin East Coast is going to get spotted. Yeah. Hello, Great Northern. This Great Northern is surprisingly all dirty. And look, it's creepy one. That one's off to Stevenage from London King's Cross. So, to Stevenage from London King's Cross. Doors are closing. Here we go. Just closed. And there you go. Last train of the day. We're actually on the local train. Last train of the day is now going. I think we'll leave it at that now. Goodbye, Great Northern. And we'll see you next time, Great Northern. Mummy. There he goes. I think it's gone now. Goodbye, Great Northern. We'll see you next time. Which I don't know where. There we go. Okay, that's a bit of a shame now. We've run out of time. So there's Great Northern. I'll see you later. Goodbye, Great Northern. And goodbye to Winchmore platform. We're going to now go and do another bit more filming. Do some filming at my old nursery because it's right up there, exact opposite me. So yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy that one. I'm sad. We've run out of time. I think you could just about see it's stuck up the railway line, but don't worry, it's over below. But yeah, we've run out of time now. Please look out for my video I'm going to do at my old nursery one in nursery right now. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. It's goodbye from me, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.